Have you ever witnessed the magic of Fanta or Coca-Cola? In this video, we'll show you the secret. This secret is rarely known by anyone, therefore, be the first to know this secret. Okay, to reveal this secret, we need to prepare it. First, we need to heat it up first. Prepare Fanta or Coca-Cola, then pour it little by little into the heated pan. Next, prepare the baking soda and add it to the pan that we poured the Coca-Cola or Fanta into earlier. Stir slowly until the mixture is completely combined. When baking soda is mixed with heated Coca-Cola or Fanta, you will see air bubbles coming out. This is a natural reaction that occurs when we mix the two ingredients. Stir until smooth. Try not to spill when mixing these two ingredients. Okay, if it feels hot enough, turn off the stove and let it sit for a while until it is completely cool. Reuse old Fanta or Coca-Cola bottles as containers for the liquid we have made. Finally, you just need to prepare the food thinner and mix it into the bottle containing the liquid we made earlier. Don't use too much, just a few milliliters will do. Take a bottle filled with a mixture of Coca-Cola or Fanta and baking soda. Then, use a needle to poke a hole in the center of the bottle cap. This small hole will allow the liquid to flow out more easily and can be directed directly to the stained area. Once the bottle cap is punctured, it's time to use it. Aim the hole in the bottle cap at the rusted surface of the blue plastic drum. Then gently press the bottle to release the liquid. Watch closely. The liquid reacts immediately with the rust stain, producing foam, and the stain begins to disappear instantly. No scrubbing, no rinsing, just spray the liquid and you'll see immediate results. Let the solution work for a while. The longer the solution remains on the rust surface, the better the results will be. The previously stained area will slowly begin to look clean. This is the power of a simple mixture of soda and baking soda. If other areas are also affected by rust stains, simply repeat the same steps. Aim the bottle, spray the liquid, and let the reaction take its course. This method is very practical, as it doesn't require extra scrubbing effort. With just one spray, the results are immediately visible. After spraying all the parts, compare the before and after conditions. The difference is obvious. Parts that were previously dull and dirty due to rust stains now appear cleaner. And it was all done quickly, inexpensively, and simply. So, here's an easy trick to clean rust stains on blue plastic drums using just a simple liquid mixture in a bottle. The key is to puncture the bottle cap with a needle, then spray the liquid directly onto the stain. No scrubbing, no rinsing, and immediate results. And finally, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so we can share more useful tricks. Thank you.